Turned it into the kitties' room, keep their food and potty and kitty tree all in there. Welcome to Tidy Up Texan. I am Nicole, and today we are going to be going through a week's worth of laundry and cleaning up the kitty room. So I have a love-hate relationship with this duvet cover. I love it because it's easy to wash. It doesn't take a bunch of space in the washer and dryer, but they make these darn things so small, it doesn't really cover the entire bed. Especially when the dogs come and jump on the bed at night and steal all the covers, and Ryan and I have to fight to have the blankets. But I feel like it just sits on the top of the bed and doesn't really curve over to give us more movable space. And the duvet itself covers the entire bed, but for some reason, the duvet covers do not. And my little helper today, that's Lily. She's our little problem child. She's still a puppy, but she has some jealousy issues. So we have to keep her and the boys separated when her humans are around. So the boys are downstairs in the garage and running around the deck. So she gets to be up here and hang out with me. Give her a little one-on-one time with mama. She's starting to be all right with the kitties, though. The kitties can come up and be around me, and she won't go lunging at them. She might growl every once in a while, but she's doing pretty good. She's progressing well.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
So I really hate seeing laundry baskets, so I keep them behind my little sofa back here. And of course, I have to separate my laundry. I'm not with the just wash everything all in one load. That's just not for me. And I already have one load already sorted and put down in the stairwell here. I'm just going to kind of add to it. And I end up with about 5 loads to do. And if you're new to the channel, I have 2 laundry rooms. I have one here in the warehouse where I like to do my laundry. And then we have one in the house, but my sister-in-law and mother-in-law use that one the most. And they're not very good at taking the loads out of the washer and dryer. So I just use the laundry down in the warehouse. It's fine. Get some extra steps in. I ran out of vinegar, which I use as my bleach and my fabric softener. And we went to the store today and I forgot to grab it again. We only go to the store about once a week, and the store isn't close. Laundry day is usually pretty hard on my back. I have a lot of back issues, but I really wanted to get the kitty room done. It's pretty gross in there, so I have to mentally and physically prepare to do that room. And luckily today I was feeling pretty good. I like to fold straight out of the dryer. Makes it a lot easier just to bring it up to the house and start putting away right away. And since the sheets are going right back on the bed, I am not going to be folding those. All right, let's get some of this stuff put away and then we'll start on the kitty room. And as you can see, dogs are switched. We got Parker and Apollo laying on the bed. Parker's the one that you can see on the screen. Apollo, the golden child, he's on the other side. And he gets really grumpy if he does not have his nap every day. And when I say nap, he sleeps for like 5 hours. So my life really revolves around all my animals. I feel like I run a kitty and doggy daycare. They have their lunchtime, their nap time, their snack time. Really, they're just spoiled rotten. Next, I'm going to be working on the kitty room, which is a walk-in closet, but it was too small for us. So we turned it into the kitty's room, keep their food and potty and kitty tree all in there. And it's really, really gross. So we got to take care of that. Let's go. So I've had this comment before, but this door does never get closed. And we have lots of fans running in the room. So there is air circulation in this room. So I promise you the kitties are okay. This room also doubles as a broom closet. So you'll see my little brooms and mops on the wall here, and vacuum and steam mop on the other side. Okay, I'm going to clear everything out, sweep and mop. And then before I put everything back, I'm going to wipe everything down. The cat tree is full of fur. Got to get that all vacuumed up and kind of scraped out. And then get everything put back. Let's get to it. I have an automatic food dispenser there. With 4 cats, it just wasn't enough, so I had to put those bowls back, and they just kind of graze on it throughout the day. I reuse these food bags for dirty kitty litter. So half of those are yucky kitty litter, and a couple are actually food. And then empty ones for future kitty litter. And they can get really heavy, so I have to have Ryan bring them downstairs for me. As I'm doing this, I'm also simultaneously doing laundry. So back at it. Clothes are still wet, so they need to dry just a little bit longer. Oh, and Ryan's helping me out by doing another load in the house, so that's going to make this a couple hours instead of 4 hours, which is helping me out a ton. Come on. Come on, Ladybug. Okay, now it's dry. I watch a lot of other YouTube cleaning channels, and one of my favorites is Midwest Magic Cleaning. And I really love that he gives shout outs to other cleaning channels or channels that he just likes. And I want to adopt that into my channel. And most likely, if you like my channel, you will love these other channels and probably already do. So, of course, my first shout out is to Midwest Magic Cleaning. On his channel, he mostly deals with hoarders' houses. And he's autistic, which I can relate to because my son is autistic and he just has a goofy personality, which I really love. So I am a religious watcher on his channel. And another channel I really enjoy watching is Lynn White. She is a mother of six and she is just so down to earth, such a sweetheart, just all around beautiful person. And last but not least, a shout out to DIY Tiff. I just started watching her channel recently and I pretty much have been watched her channel because I really love it. She does mostly DIYs in her own home, but there has been some projects that she's done with her father. But her and her girlfriend are hilarious. You have to watch them. DIY Tiff. None of these channels know who I am, but give them a hello for me. Now back to this kitty room. A ton of kitty litter all over the place, some kitty accidents that I've previously cleaned up. So there's just remnants left. All the food's getting stuck to the wall. So for these icky spots, the pet accidents, I soak them in half a cup of water with a teaspoon of Lysol Clean Fresh concentrate and then just a splash of bleach, and it should smell fantastic afterwards. The same mixture I have on the floor, I also have soaked onto my little mop pad so that I can get everything. Some of these remnants were pretty stuck on there. Next, I'll be cleaning off that little table I had in there, full of kitty food and some paw prints. My little Cleopatra being nosy back there. It's so funny, whenever I move their stuff, they all of a sudden get super interested in it. They act like they've never seen it before. All right, all the laundry's done. It's getting dark outside, and I am tired, so I'm not able to get to the cat tree today. The chair's kind of gross. Have to get to those another time. I'm going to start putting everything back, and Ryan's going to help me make the bed, and we're going to call it a day. In the future, when budget allows, I would love to get some um, built-ins in there, some cabinets, some shelves. maybe even a permanent cat tree along the walls, something fun for them. Well, semi permanent, because although this is our forever home, you never know. So I have to make something that can be transitioned back into a closet. But I really like to have something more efficient than tables, chairs, and kitty trees all separately put in there. But we shall see. But for now, this works. All cleaned up, smelling great again. And like I said, the chair and the kitty tree will have to be cleaned another day. And now Parker and Ryan are help making the bed, or Parker thought. So this is sped up quite a bit, but some of the conversations we have are hilarious. Ryan cracks me up, so I left a little bit of it in there for you.
Don't care.
So enjoy.
How long have you known me, sweetheart? You're lucky I didn't hack my leg up and crop dust them right now. Because I'm right by it. Rah!
I'm gonna have this part sped up so we should give you little squeaks.
Ah! I don't think I'm doing it right, so I'm gonna stop.
I would say that's how it race, but then you won't do it right. So you win.
Yeah, right. You know, I'll sabotage you to win. You act like you don't know me. You know damn. I'll cheat. Beat my honeys. That's
All right, we are just about done here. And if you enjoyed the video, I would love it if you give it a thumbs up. Yes, that. And hit the subscribe button. And as always, I so appreciate you spending your time here with me today. But until next time, bye.